Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to pin post on your Facebook page. In order to pin your post, first you'll need to open your Facebook app. This is the first interface you will see of your Facebook app. Make sure you are logged into your account. After you are in your Facebook page, you'll need to open your profile page. For that, you'll need to tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Here you can see your profile page and all your posts. Now you'll have to select the post that you want to pin. After you select the post, you'll have to tap on the three dots right besides your username. A menu will pop up on your screen with a lot of options. In the very first option, you can see pin post. When you pin your post, it will be shown in the very first in your Facebook profile. Now tap on the pin post option. Just like that, your post has been pinned in your Facebook timeline. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to pin post on Facebook. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.